For this activity, we're going to be using some of the provided templates from Google Docs to create a item for Open School Night. It could be a flyer, a brochure, a letter, anything, memo, anything that really you could use. So once again, I make sure I'm inside my, I'm logged into my Google account. I'll go into my Docs, Google Docs. And up top here, we have a template gallery. Usually we just grab this first one here for a blank one. But in the template gallery, we have, I guess these must be the most commonly used: resumes, letter, professional project, brochure, report. I can scroll down. There's many more in here. So we've got a lot of resumes, business letters, recipes, pet resume. I guess that's a thing now, huh? Meeting notes. I'm just looking for some type of a flyer here. Newsletter might be good. There's even a searchable link. I think if I go back up top here, let me go back. No. I guess there's not a searchable link here. But I'm going to try a little search trick here. Let's go with flyer. We got no flyer. Alright, so what I did here is I was just looking for, if you're trying to find a flyer, which didn't work for me, but I typed in brochure. If you hit Control F on your keyboard, and this works for any Windows-based program, I think. Control F, this little search bar will open up here, and I typed in brochure, and I typed in flyer at first, and nothing came up. So flyer 00. We type in brochure, and you can see there's 3 instances of brochure up here. I can scroll through them, and you notice they get highlighted here too. So I have these different brochures. It's just one quick way to search for keywords and documents or on web pages. So I'm going to go with
Mrs. Stevens, can you?
That's a drawback of doing these videos at school during after hours here. They're still making announcements all the time over here. So brochure, again, we type that in. And this looks like a good one here. We'll just click this. So this brochure is going to download on my computer. Okay, this looks like a flyer as well. So this one is 2 pages, I guess. Alright, we don't need so many. So up top here, you could definitely make this your own here. So let's say I was going to make a brochure for the technology department. So I would just type in technology department at the East Islip Middle School. Address, not really necessary, so we can even delete out of that.
Mr. Robertson, can you call the main office at 703?
And we could either just delete everything out of here and start fresh, or we could just use their templates and make it our own here. So for instance, we're 2018 here. You change your dates to match. So I might say here, okay, this is the technology department of the East Islip Middle School. I'm going to resize this to make it all fit on one. Not too big. And you notice I'm changing these sizes. Just because there's no, like, say, 20 font size in here, it doesn't mean you can't type it in up top here. If I just type in 20 and hit enter, I just type 20 here and hit enter, it'll get larger. Try that again. 20, enter, there we go. Oh, 20 is too big. Let's go down to like 18. Still too big. How about 14? Alright, 14 fits. So you can just plug and play these different things. You can change all the text on here. You can change your images that are in here too. So this is just to create a brochure that you're going to end up getting up here. It says brochure. We're going to call this Open School Night. I'll grab a shareable link up top here. Get a shareable link. Anyone with this link can view. Again, we don't want to let anybody edit it. We'll just keep it at view. We're going to copy that link. We're going to go back into the message board, and you're going to paste that link along with. Go back here. Thought I was still logged in. I guess not. New post. We're going to call this week 1, assignment 3, I think, right? Open School Night flyer. And I'll just paste it, Hit enter, and there we go. It turned into a link for us automatically here, and we'll hit submit post. And we are good to go. That is how we are going to create our flyer and share it with the class for Open School Night.